Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop your images on the KineMaster application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KineMaster application on your device and you can create a new project or start editing from any of your old saved ones. Now, once you open up your project, you can import your desired pictures from the media option and image assets, or you may also upload from your gallery. Once you have added your images, if you wish to crop them, just tap on this image and then tap on pan and zoom. Once you tap on this, make sure that the start position and end position are linked by tapping on the equal to sign. Then you can just drag and reposition your image and pinch and zoom in order to crop to your desired size as well as location. After achieving your desired settings, you can just go back and continue editing, and you may also crop and zoom for as many images that you wish by using the pan and zoom feature. Make sure to enable the equals sign if you wish to maintain your crop position, but you can turn it off if you wish to change your position from start to finish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to crop your images on the KineMaster application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.